Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have the Laurier Worn and Wound Hydra 2 Limited Edition. So let's get this open here. Let's see if the pull tab on this actually works. Usually don't. Oh, look at that. Must have improved that. All right, let's get this out of here. So I got some bubble wrap inside some bubble wrap here. I've never actually bought a watch from these guys before, so it's my first time for that. And actually I bought a secondhand. I bought another Worn and Wound limited edition watch secondhand, so I'll get that unboxed one of these days here as well. Alright, looks like I got a thank you code or something. Some stickers. Alright, so let's zoom in here. If you want to read that, you can pause it and read it there. So yeah, nice collaboration here. See, I've had a number of Lauriers. I had the Falcon. Well, that was kind of in on loan. It was a trade deal, but ended up turning it back in. Neptune, and then Bobby Legs lent in a Hydra a long time ago. Well, maybe it was a year, 2 years ago. I don't remember anymore. But anyway, I've never had this version of a Laurier, or this model of a Laurier before. Yeah, it comes with a nice little travel pouch like they normally do. It should be a screwdriver somewhere. There we go, little screwdriver here. And then there's a little kind of a bracelet protector card here that you would wrap the watch around and then put it in this travel case. These are very handy. Oh, wow, that's cool. I don't even know if I have any poly watch. I never used it before either. So got some poly watch, and then a looks like some kind of fabric cloth here. So that's cool for polishing the crystal. Actually, this is my first time buying a Laurier new. All the other ones, the other two have been used or secondhand. So cool. Let's check this out. Nice taper to the bracelet here. The plastic all over it. That looks like it's engraved on the case back here with the Worn and Wound. Worn and Wound 10th year anniversary. Let's see if I can get the plastic off real quickly here. Be extra careful with that crystal. Don't want to ding it up or anything. So just rip that off. So signed clasp. And I like this clasp. It's nice and simple, nice and small. 3 micro adjust, but you don't have the safety clasp or anything to deal with. Like a dive watch here, which I don't really need. You have these dual pushers. So solid links, screw links, solid end links. They don't have a quick release, but that's fine. Okay, so bi-directional, non-screw down crown here for that inner ring. So I'll compare this to my Christopher Ward here in the future. And then we have a screw down crown here. Yeah, a lot of silver. I'm not usually a fan of silver, but This looks good. I'm happy that I was able to pick it up. It's interesting though that that's not a screw down crown, or that it's not unidirectional. It should be one or the other. But this is bidirectional. Oh, okay. So that's why it's not a dive timing bezel. It's a dual time. So if it's dual time, it doesn't really need to be screwed down, and it's bidirectional for dual time. So that makes sense. If you go to one time zone forward or backwards, then you can change the bidirectional dial accordingly for the dual time. Calling it dual time is not a GMT because it doesn't have a GMT hand. Alright, very cool. Let's screw this crown down, we'll get it on wrist, and we'll close out the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. I've been releasing content every day here, so actually sometimes twice a day. Try to get a shorts video in as well. So a date down there at 6 o'clock. Looking forward to spending some time with this watch. Yeah, I think it looks good on my 6.5-inch wrist. Let me know what you think. This bracelet's so cool. Nice taper to it. And good light play as well. And of course, the female end links, which I always appreciate for my small wrist. I'm gonna have to look at getting some more silver dial watches. This looks like it's one solid piece all together here. So anyway, let's zoom out. Really nice light play on this. I like the chamfered polish edge here. Okay, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.